Good day, my fellow farmer. Today I want to show you how you can identify sweet cassava. You know, cassava has two types actually. We have the bitter cassava and we have the sweet cassava. Okay, now this type is different from the species or the varieties. So as you know, we have different variety or species. Okay, now those species are grouped into two. All the cassava varieties are grouped into two. The two types is sweet and bitter cassava. Now the sweet cassava is what I want to show you now. One of the quality of the sweet cassava is that you can consume the tuber. Okay, you can consume the tuber without processing and will not be detrimental to your health. But the other type, you cannot consume the tuber, which is the bitter type. You cannot consume the tuber without processing it first. Okay, so if you have heard about Ghana fufu before now, it is actually the sweet cassava they used to make their fufu. Okay, Ghana actually make fufu from sweet cassava, where you will see them boil the tuber and mix it with unripe plantain and pound. Okay, Ghana fufu is different from Nigeria fufu. Nigeria fufu, we use any type of cassava, but those cassava must be fermented first before processing. But if you want to make the Ghana fufu type, you can use sweet cassava and mix it with unripe plantain. You don't need to undergo the fermenting process. Why? Because the sweet cassava is actually consumable without processing first. Okay, it's unlike the bitter cassava. Many years ago when we used to escort our grandma to farm, when our garri get zested, you will see grandma just go into the cassava farm. Before you know, we come with the root of this particular sweet cassava, and before you know, we boil it and they pound it. Akpu has landed. You see, fufu have landed. Okay, so another thing is that even in the farm, we still roast the tuber of sweet cassava. Okay, yeah, I can remember vividly. We roast the tuber of sweet cassava and we use it to eat oil. Even sometimes we boil it. Yes, we boil it and we use it to eat red oil too. That is back then in the village. Okay, now many people have lost contact with this type of variety. Okay, and so that's why I want to teach you how you can identify, so that when you see them in your farm, you can know them. Or if you don't have them, you can request for the stem so that you can know them. Okay, a type of cassava that arrests hunger. Now understand? Okay, this one that yam is very expensive these days. If you have this cassava, I think you have solved yam problem as a farmer. Okay, so I want to show you how you can identify it by yourself. Now this is the sweet cassava I just told you about. You can see I just planted this small one for experimental purpose. Okay, now if you look at this leaf, for instance, and look at this leaf, for instance, they are the same. Okay, now this one actually is Dixon, while this one is the poundable cassava, which is the sweet cassava. Now from the leaf, you may not be able to differentiate them. Okay, from the leaf you cannot differentiate Dixon from poundable cassava, but from the stem you may be able to differentiate them, because the poundable cassava actually has a wide stem. Okay, now just take a look at the stem. You can find out that this stem is white. Okay, now let me walk around the farm so that you can see it by yourself. Now, okay, now you can see that the stem is white, and the stem is always tall before it branches. Now take a look. See how it tall. You know, it grow out very tall before it branches. Okay, it is different from Dixon. Now let me show you Dixon stem. Now look at the leaf. They are the same in the leaf, but in terms of the stem, this is Dixon. Okay, this is Dixon. This one is Dixon. This one is Dixon. Okay, now from the stem so far, you'll find out there's a vivid difference. Okay, now another characteristics of the poundable cassava, which is the sweet cassava, is that the tuber, the second layer of the tuber, is always pink. Please, you have to note this. Tuber, which is the second layer of the tuber, its color is pink. If you can remember potato is pink, pure pink. Okay, so that is how you can differentiate your poundable cassava, which is sweet cassava, from every other variety. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please you can help us to share, like, and comment. God bless you for watching.